Hello students, class 10th, subject biology, chapter 2, how do organisms reproduce? Students, in the earlier video, you learn about the reproduction, DNA copying, modes of reproduction, asexual reproduction and some modes of asexual reproduction. We continue the chapter and learn about more types of asexual reproduction. Next, it is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means vegetative means the growing portion, growing part of the plant. It is a method of obtaining new plant from the part of plant like stem, roots and leaves. It can be carried by the two ways, natural and artificial. Natural मैनी टाइम्स आप देखते हैं कि हम स्टेम कटिंग करते हैं, है ना, रूट से या लीव से प्लांट्स को ग्रो करते हैं. दैट इज़ अबाउट ऑफ नेचुरली. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर यू आर लुकिंग, दैट इज़ अबाउट ऑफ अ ब्रायोफिलम लीफ, है ना. ब्रायोफिलम लीव्स में आप क्या देख रहे हैं, दैट इज़ अबाउट ऑफ जो लीफ, इसमें क्या होती है, नॉचेस. इन नॉचेस में एक एडवेंटेजियस बर्ड्स ग्रो होता है. दिस एडवेंटेजियस बर्ड्स ग्रो इनटू द अबाउट ऑफ new bud and that forming a baby bryophyllum plant which is detached from the plant into the soil and form the new bryophyllum plants. The next artificial, that are the different methods we'll use like grafting, layering, ठीक है ना. These are the artificial methods. So what are the advantages of vegetative propagation? Why we use this method of reproduction? Number one, it is cheaper, easier and more rapid method of reproduction. Number two, better quality of plants can be maintained by this method. Number three, it results in propagation of those plants which do not produce viable seeds or the produce seeds with prolonged period. Means जैसे बनाना वगैरह होते हैं, आपने देखा ना, उनमें क्या होते हैं, सीड्स नहीं होते हैं. सो दीज आर सम एडवांटेजेस ऑफ वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन. नेक्स्ट, इट इज स्पोर फॉर्मेशन. मेनली वी आर लुकिंग इन द ब्रेड माउल्ट. इफ यू आर टेकिंग 1-2 pieces of the blade and placed in the bot of moist dark place, we are got the bot of fungus rhizopus. If you are looking the structure of that, it is about of having the filamentous structure IP, and then a bulb-like structures you are looking, it is sporangia, which contain the bot of motile unicellular spores. ठीक है, this spores during on the favorable condition, है ना, this spores, the cover of spores is burst and that release, है ना, the many spores and what form the rhizopus fungus. So these are spore formation. The next, now we are looking about the sexual reproduction. ये सारे जो आपने मोड्स पढ़े अभी तक वो क्या थे, asexual. Now we are looking sexual reproduction in flowering plants and in humans. Flowering plants, that's the reproductive part, है ना, is about located into the flower. जो एंजियोस्पर्म्स होते हैं फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स, उनमें जो रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट कहाँ लोकेटेड होते हैं, इन फ्लावर. टिपिकल फ्लावर की 4 पार्ट्स होते हैं. व्हाट इट इज, सेपल, पेटल्स, स्टैमेन जो कि मेल पार्ट है एंड पिस्टिल जो कि फीमेल पार्ट है. नाउ दैट इन सेक्सुअल रिप्रोड्यूसिंग प्लांट, ठीक है ना, इफ अ फ्लावर कंटेन आइदर स्टैमेन और पिस्टिल, यानी कि दोनों फ्लावर सेपरेट, एक में स्टैमेन और एक में पिस्टिल है, दैट टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर इज बोट ऑफ यूनिसेक्सुअल. And for example, we are looking either in papaya and in watermelon. Second होते हैं bisexual flower that contain both the stamen and pistil in one. एक ही फ्लावर में दोनों stamen और pistil present होते हैं. That example is mustard and China rose. Now we see that is about of longitudinal section of flower. The students see here outer green base, it is sepal. This is not take part in reproduction. The colored wings, it is petals. that take part into the reproduction. These are the what you are looking the stamens, take है ना. The stamens is what of containing anther lobe. The anther lobes what contain the pollen grains. The pollen grains that is about of male germ cell. Pollen grains जो होता है वो क्या होती हैं? Male germ cells. Okay. At finally in the middle of that you are looking the structure. This structures you are looking. It is about of said to be the pistil. The pistil further has three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. The stigma, style, a tubular part, and ovary. Ovary contain ovule. Ovules are the part of female germ cells. So these are the part of a typical flowers. Now, how the fertilization takes place in plant? Plant में fertilization process कैसे होता है? तो before that, what is fertilization? Fertilization is a process of fusion of male and female gametes. After the fusion, what they form a zygote, and zygote develop into the new. Okay. So the fertilization in plants, it is carried out by a process of pollination. Pollination a process ठीक है ना of transfer of pollen grains. जो एंथर में pollen grains होते हैं, they transfer to the bot of stigma. एंथर से pollen grain कहाँ ट्रांसफर होते हैं? To the stigma. When they transfer reach to the stigma, they are getting the chemical substance nutrition there. Okay. And after getting nutrition, they form a pollen tube. क्या बनाते हैं ये? Pollen tube. Pollen tube enter into the embryo sac. What it is? Embryo sac through a small opening that is said to be micropyle. एक ये small opening है, यहाँ से enter होता है micropyle. Here it release two male gametes. ये यहाँ पर क्या release करता है? Two male gametes. One male gamete fuse with one egg cell, ठीक है ना, that is syngamy. Another male gamete fuse with two polar nuclei, that is about of triple fusion. So in fertilization process of plant, we look there are the two fusion takes place, and that is said to be double fertilization. After the fertilization, the sepals and petals are shell off. ये हट जाते हैं because they are not take part in reproduction. The ovary that turn into the fruits, fleshy fruits, and ovule it is turned into the that is seeds, hard covering seed. The seeds is future plant. On germination, it give the new plants. Thank you all for today. I hope you learn very nicely.